You don't need 1 million naira to start investing in Nigeria. Just 5,000 naira, your smartphone, and this video could change your financial life forever. Today on Meet Yusuf on YouTube, where we simplify money, travel, and lifestyle. If you're a first viewer on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. So let's be honest, Nigeria is hard. Prices keep going up, salaries stay the same, and savings feel like a myth. But what if I told you that your path to financial freedom could start with just the price of a shawarma and a drink? In this video, I will uncover how to start investing in Nigeria, even if you are a total beginner. With small money, no scams, no big grammar, just real steps, you can start today. So let's talk about why you need to start investing. Inflation is eating your money while it sleeps in the bank. The rich don't save, they invest. That's the real secret between the rich and the poor. Investing means your money starts working for you even while you sleep. If you are earning and spending but not investing, you are stuck in the same circle. Savings alone won't build you wealth in Nigeria, that's the fact. The money you don't invest is the money you are slowly losing. All right? So let's talk about where and how to start investing in Nigeria. I'm going to give you a beginner-friendly apps you can use. I'm just going to highlight it. You go to the app, sign up, and start investing. All right. So the first step to start investing in Nigeria is set your goals. Are you investing for short-term profit or long-term wealth? Know your risk tolerance, aggressive or conservative. And step 2, use trusted platforms. I will just highlight some beginner-friendly platforms you can start with in Nigeria. Number 1, Cowrywise. Cowrywise helps you to invest in mutual funds from 100 naira above. The second one is PiggyVest. It helps you for savings and low-risk investment. The third one is Trove or Bamboo. You can buy foreign stocks like Apple, Tesla from just 1,000 naira. All right? And Chaka for both local and global stocks. It works. All right? So you need to note that always start small. Learn with little money before going big. So we'll talk about types of investment you can start today. There are numerous types of investment you can start today, but let's talk about the mutual fund. Mutual fund has a low risk, they're managed by professionals, and they are good for beginners. 2, we talk about stocks. You see, you can own parts of companies all over the world, and you can start with as little as 1,000 naira. And the third one is called the dollar investment. So with the dollar investment, you can beat inflation and earn in dollars. And the fifth one are government bonds and treasury bills. It's a very low risk and long-term wealth period. So I'm going to talk about mistakes to avoid as a beginner. The first one is chasing quick money, known as the Ponzi scheme. The likes of MMM, the like of CBEX, the likes of Worksally, don't do that if you're a beginner in investing. The second one is putting all your money in one investment. That is the financial mistake. Don't ever do that. And the third one is investing money you can't afford to lose. Make sure you invest money you can afford to lose. If you are having 10,000 naira, even if it is just 1,000 you can afford to lose, invest that 1,000 naira and do not put that 10,000 naira into that investment. That is a financial mistake. Investing money you can't afford to lose is a very big mistake. Okay, so start slow, learn fast, and never invest based on hype or pressure. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The best time is now. Even if it is just 5K, take that step, learn, go, and watch your money multiply over time. Consistency beats speed. All right, so you must learn, unlearn, and will learn again. If you don't know, life will bake you. If you are not rich, you will stay poor. If you're not truly taught, you will be wrongly taught. If you don't go low, you can't rise high. If you don't drive your life, others will drive it for you. So choose now, ride, walk, or take the wheel. You can check out a video I did on how to keep money. Simple ways, no big grammar. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.